Okay, so now that the garlic and the onion is ready to go, I'm gonna add in the cauliflower, the vegetable stock, and the pepper, and I'm gonna let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Then we'll be back. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is put it into a blender and blend it all up, make it smooth and nice and silky. If you have an emulsifier, you can just use that right in here. I don't have one, so it's going in the blender. Alright, so that was going for about 30-40 seconds. Ooh, this smells really good. Alright, so put that back into the pan. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, yes. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the almond milk, the potatoes, and the carrots, as well as the Parmesan. And we're gonna let that simmer for another 10-15 minutes, probably about 15 minutes. And then it'll be ready to add the special ingredient. Well, you already know what the special ingredient is. Okay, let's go. So I've taken it off the heat, and now it is time to add the special ingredient, honey. So we're just gonna add it right at the very end. Stir that in. Oh, it's gonna be amazing with the Parmesan. Love that. Just stir that in, and it's ready to go. That's really nice. It's a lot more subtle than I was expecting it to be. That's, ooh, yeah. Well guys, that's the end of the video. If you want to see more videos like this where I tackle more animes and their recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. Okay, I'll see you guys next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Aloha.